This DIY garden chair is the perfect way to bring a little life into your garden space this summer. Whew, it's hot. First step to building our DIY planter chair is to remove the top of our chair. This is like the really fun part. This piece is like built with wood, so I'm gonna give it a good smash and see if I can at least get it up. This is for everything that I felt this last year. I'm kidding, I had a great year. Get right in under there, come on. All right, so we have our beautiful chair, which I love. Isn't it cute? So the next step is we're gonna be basically creating a trough, which is what our planter is going to sit in. And to do that, I'm using window screen. So you wanna double your screen up. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach it to my chair. I wanna make sure that I have enough of a 6-inch pocket here, and then we can staple her in. All right, so you'll obviously see this beautiful excess piece. We don't need that, so you can take some scissors and just cut it off. Our next step is to add our cocoa mat. If you've never seen this before, it's actually a really cool texture. So you're gonna take it and you're going to line the inside now of your chair. This thing is pretty good, like you can pull it apart and you can adjust it after your flowers have gone in. Harry, stop yapping. I'm filming a video here. The bird's called Harry, by the way. All right, so I think our cocoa mat is completed. Our next step is to put our potting soil a little bit. Feel good about that. Fun part, it's time to add our plants. I'm starting with some longer, more viney plants to put around the edges. I've picked up some creeping jennies and I've picked up some diacia. They're both beautiful plants. They look so nice on the edges, and when they start growing, they're gonna grow down the sides of your chair. It's gonna be beautiful. This is all a personal preference. You can put whatever you want in this chair, but these are the guys that I went with. So let's start. Put them in, and then you wanna take some soil and just fill her in. Time for some diacia, I think. Ooh, this is like my hair in the morning. You were brilliant. This is an Impatiens Compact Fire Red. It's clearly pink. Come on, friends, make space. You want to just take a little bit of soil and fill in the areas that need it. Over time, this will kind of grow in and really become robust and beautiful. As a last quick little step, I'm going to take my cocoa mat, and now that I have my flowers in place, I'm just going to pull it over the chair and just kind of give it a really nice little garden look. Once you're happy with the placement of your flowers, your cocoa mat is good, it's time to put this in the garden and enjoy it all summer long. Here we go. If you haven't already subscribed to Coral, make sure you do and click that bell notification because we got more great projects all summer long.